Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen. Now you can do that twice, which will then extend the list of visible toggles right here, and locate the power saving mode. It should be accessible to us on one of the pages, and for me it is on the second page right here, labeled battery saver. Once you see it and tap on it, it gives you a pop-up that battery saver is now on. First time around, you actually might get to see a pop-up letting you know what will be changed by enabling this, but I don't know, this is the first time I'm enabling this, but maybe someone at the office already did this before, so it's not showing up any kind of pop-up. So importantly, one of the things that might be happening here with the battery saver is, well, number one, you can see the dark mode being enabled. Number two, you can see that the brightness went down quite significantly. And the most important change will be the interaction with the Wi-Fi and mobile network. So I don't know which one it is. It could be either one of those. It will be up to you to kind of see this. But the devices, almost all of them, when power saving mode is enabled, disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now there's two options. Either it will reconnect, do it every so often to check if it's missing some kind of information or notifications from applications that require internet, or it's just not going to do this as long as you're not using the device. So just know that this is what most phones do, and obviously if you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time, this might kind of be a deal breaker for you. Now, anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can find the toggle once again and tap on it once more to turn it off, and this will revert all the changes back to how they were before. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.